Hello, my Kabbalistic people. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my Kabbalistic people, today again, I have another one to share with you. You guys know that on 29th of May 2023, that is when they are soon swearing in the new president-elect. Bola Ahmed Tinubu. As I am talking to you right now, Asari, Dokubo and his group, they are already in Abuja waiting for the day to break. Oh, hey, they say that nobody can stop the shine of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and I begin to ask myself questions. The time or the day for the inauguration of president, is it not a day for the whole country to be happy and jubilate? Is it for particular set of people? Anyways, I don't really want to talk too much about this because when we were singing, some people say you guys are mad. So I want to listen
right from the appeal
right
court, in front of appeal court, you can see the Ministry of Women Affairs. More than 300 will I say courtsmen because of their uniform, and some of them are wearing like a prison uniform, you know. I don't know, they hire them for APC, you can see, even despite the police stopping them from, approaching them. They are being recalcitrant. They have some powders all over them. I don't know. They said they are protesters, but there is no single woman in their midst. They are all men. They are all men. The stench of smell that is coming from that place can reach me at this distance. So I don't know. You can see the camera people are being careful not to. This is the country, this is the people that we are saying that if you say you won the election, why hire this number of men to come and do this kind of a thing? If you won an election,
why worry?
Why this?
Why
all this?
Prisoners.
Why all this? Why all this? Is this the country Nigeria we prayed for? Is this the country we prayed for? You see the herbalists in their midst. I see one of them carrying their kai. Nna pụtakwa na-efe gị mmiri ihe nwa. Can we talk to you? Are you part of this group?
Yes.
Okay, so who are you and...
I am the chairman of the Ijaw Youth Council.
Ijaw?
Youth Council, IYC, in the northern part of Nigeria. And my name is Dokubo. The something you are seeing here, these are supporters of the president-elect, Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu, the Zagaba, the only man we believe that can able to transform Nigeria. This man is a man who has a quality leadership when you read.
But please, can we ask you a question?
Okay. Why are we here?
Can we ask you a question? You said that your principal won the election. If you win, if something genuinely belongs to you, do you have to make noise to hold on to what rightfully belongs to you?
Noise. This is solidarity.
Is there any need for this solidarity if he has the ticket already?
No, he has the ticket.
So why is because we noticed that.
What do you understand by he has the ticket? The people that constitutionally empowered to conduct election in the Federal Republic of Nigeria is Independent Electoral College, INEC.
Yeah, so he has the ticket already.
INEC chairman has declared winner, constitutionally empowered. Then how will you take somebody has been elected?
Okay, can we ask you something? What do you say about the process that brought to the emerging of your principal as the president-elect?
The process?
Yeah, what do you have to say about
the electoral process?
Well, was it free, fair, and there was no violence? And then
let me tell you, madam, even all over the world, even US, when they do election, there is still pocket of violence. But
okay, even in US, you're telling us now that even US have violent election.
There's pocket of violence. What we are saying here is that people voted for him, and he has been declared. Ahmed Bola Tinubu did not declare himself as.
Okay, that means you accept that there is violence in the election, and it was not free and fair, but he has been elected.
You cannot say it's not free and fair. The election is free and fair. Why some will say it's not free and fair? In election is that when your supporters lose, those who lose will say it's not free and fair. Why those who win the process will say it's free and fair? As far as the Independent Electoral Commission that has been empowered by constitutionally to conduct election and declare winner, has declared Ahmed Bola Tinubu, that is final.
So you're telling us now that process doesn't matter, but whoever that is declared.
No, the process is matter. If you are not satisfied with the outcome of the process, you have right to challenge the process to the court.
Okay, now I want to ask you. They said something about 25% and 25% and 25% of FCT. What do you have to say to that effect?
Let me tell you, when you say 25%, I can also reference you. The 25% people are talking about. We have 36 states.
He said, no. He said, even if you have all the states and
they don't allow you to print.
And I'm coming. What I will tell you is that I will.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.